Hey folks, so we have seen lots of videos in Node.js. Now finally we are going to see creating server in Node.js. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So for creating server, we need first of all HTTP module. So first of all we have to require HTTP module in our variable, let's say HTTP. And now let's create server. So where server is equals to HTTP dot create server. Let's provide here function which is giving accepting two parameters, and let's say send not send but write head is just accepting the header content and put our status code. And let's provide here content type is equals to text slash plain, and let's provide here response. So let's say hello world. Now let's say server.listen. We have to provide here port number. So 3000 in port number, in localhost is our IP address. So now let's run node. Our file name is server.js and press enter. You can see our server is running. So just go to your browser and type here localhost jam 300. So press enter and you can see our first response, which is hello world. So you can see how we have assigned here our response hello world, and we can see hello world in the response. Now let's inspect this and go to network tab and let me refresh. You can say localhost and we can see HTTP localhost 300, request type is get, 200 is our stress code which we have assigned here. You can see 200. Also you can see encoding and lots of things, but yeah, you can see content type is text list plain, which we have assigned here. You can see content type text list plain and our response also. Till now we have seen how hello world is printed here. Now let's suppose I have assigned here something value like, let's say hello, and I want to access this value. This output will not change, but let's suppose I have to access this hello value in our Node.js application. So let's see how can we access this hello value. So we just have to come here and let's provide here request dot URL. So our value is provided in the URL. So you can see request dot URL. Now let's close the server and let's again run the server. Let's provide here, let's say hello world and press enter, and you can see slash hello world is provided here. You can see in the output hello world is here. So that's how we can access our URL value, and that's how we can create our server in Node.js. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.